Hello everyone, welcome to the class of algorithms. Let's dive into the world of 01 Knapsack. In this class, we will discuss tree implementation of 01 Knapsack, and I will also show you the overlapping of 01 Knapsack. Now, we have been given a table. In this table, we can see there is item, weight and benefits, right? Now, what is the max weight? It is given, which is 5 kg. If it's not be given, then we have to find it from that table, and we can see it is also 5 kg, then it is a max weight. But we have been given, which is max weight is 5 kg. Okay, now we have to find the total item. What is the total item? Item 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the total item is 4, right? Let's write total item is 4. Now, okay, let's draw a tree. Now, what is the max weight? It is 5 kg. Let's write 5 kg. It is the max weight. Then, what is the total item? It is 4. Now, we will denote items by I. Okay? Let's denote item by I. Now, it is our first root. Okay, it is the root of the tree. 5 kg and 4 items as it is given or we have found. Okay, now from this root there is two steps. One, if we take the items or if we pick the items, and another is if we don't pick the items. Okay, in the left we will choose, we will not pick the item, we will not pick. Okay, so not pick means 0, and yes, we will pick the item, we will pick the item, which is yes, and it's been 1. Okay, now if we don't pick the item, what will happen? If we don't pick the item, then the total weight will be same or it will be constant, which is 5 kg. Okay, let's write, because we are not picking any item from our roots, right? So it is 5 kg, it will be same. And in the previous video I have told you that there is a chance that there is still an item left in our bag, right? There is still a chance. So what we will do is 4 minus 1. What? 4 minus 1, it will be 3, right? So it will be 3. Now that is 3i. And what will be our benefits? Our benefits will be 0. Why? Our benefits is 0 because we are not picking any item from the table, right? So our benefits is 0. Now, if we pick the item, okay, what I have told you before, that we will go from up to down, right? So firstly we will choose the item number 1, which is 2 kg, right? So what is our total kg? Our total weight is 5 kg, right? So what will happen? 5 minus, and what we have picked is 2 for item number 1, right? So it will be 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? Is 3. So as we are picking the item from the item number 1, it will be 3 kg now. It is 3 kg. It is our weight. And what will be our item is left? Obviously is 4 minus 1, right? is 3. So it is your item and it is your weight. Okay, I'm showing you this for the first time, but when we will go down to the bottom of the table or bottom of the tree, I will not show you this. Okay, so now our total weight is now 3 kg after picking the item, and what will be our item is 3. It is 3i. Okay, now what is our benefits? Our benefits is 3. You can see here our benefits is 3, so benefits is equal to plus 3. Okay, so there will be 2 child of this root, right? One can be what? For the left we will choose no, and again yes we will pick, right? Again for that no, which will be 0, and again yes it is 1, right? Now let's see. Our total, what is our total weight now for this? So we will now we will do everything for this row. Okay, for this row. Now for 5 kg, if we will not pick any items, what will be it? It will be 5. It is simple, right? And there is still a chance there is a 1 item left, so 3 minus 1, it will be 2i, because we are not picking any items. And what is our benefits here? It is 0. Simple, right? Now if we pick item, now our 1 item is done, right? Now we will choose item number 2. So for item number 2, now it will work for this item number 2 or for this row. Okay, now if we pick the item from this, so what is our item number 2? The weight is 3 kg, right? So 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, it is 2 kg, right? 2 kg. So it will left 2 kg, and what is our item? Our item will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. Now what is our benefits? Our benefits is 4, so it will be 0 plus 4, right? Our previous benefits is 0, so 0 plus 4 is b is equal to 4. Okay, now if we don't pick the item from 3 kg, it will be 3 kg, right? As it will be constant. And what will be our item? It will be 2i. You know this, right? As we are not picking any item, so our previous benefits will be plus, so it is obviously now it is 0, and our previous item was 3, so 3. Now if we pick the item, right? So if we pick the item, we will see the column number 2. So for column number 2, it is 3 kg. So 3 minus 3, what is that? 3 minus 3 is 0 kg. Why? 3 minus 3 is 0, right? So 0 kg, and our 1 item will be minus, which is 3 minus 1 is 2i. Now what will be our benefits? Our benefits will be 7. Why? Because for item number 2 the benefits is 4 and previous benefits is 3, so b is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. Okay, done. Now there will be again 2 child from each root, right? So from this one it will be 0, and again it will be 1, and it will be same 0 and 1. Okay, from this one it is 0 and 1. Okay, from this one 0 and 1, but we will not get anything from this 0 kg. We will not get anything from this 0 kg because our weight is 0. If we pick, or if we don't pick any item, then it will be 0, and if we pick any item, it will be negative, right? So negative, we cannot count any negative number, so it will be 0. So for 1, we cannot pick anything for 1, but we cannot pick anything, so we will not pick anything, right? So we will not pick anything, and for picking it will be cross. Remember that thing. Now for 5 kg, what is our item number 3? Our item number 3 is 4 kg. Okay, so we are not picking anything, so 5 kg and 1 item. Okay, and what is our benefits? Our benefits is again 0. If we pick, what will happen? If we pick for item number 3, it is 4 kg, right? So 5 minus 4 is 1, right? So it will be 1 kg, 1 item, because 2 minus 1 is 1, right? What is our benefits, right? What is our benefits? Our benefits is 0. Now it was our previous benefits is 0. Now what is our benefits now? It is 5. So b is equal to 0 plus 5 is benefits is 5. Now for 2 kg, and it is 4 kg, right? As it is 0, so we will not pick anything. So 2 kg, and it will be 1 item, 1 I. So benefits here is 0, and what is our previous benefits? Our previous benefits was 4. Okay, now if we pick any item, then what will happen? So now there is a thing, see very carefully. Our kg or our weight is now 2, and for item number 3 it is 4 kg, right? So our answer will be negative, right? So it can be happen, so we will put a cross, that is we cannot pick any item. Okay, now for 3 kg and 2 item, for 3 kg and 2 item, we can see we are not picking any item now, so it will remain the same, 3 kg 1 I. Okay, and if we pick any item, it will be negative, because for item number 3 it is 4 kg, right? So we cannot pick anything, or else it will be negative. Why? See, 3 minus 4. See, it will be minus 1. So we will not do. Now for 0 kg it will be 0. It will be 0 kg, one item. Now there is a thing. Can we find any common child here? No, we are not finding any common child, right? It is 1 kg 1 eye, it is 2 kg 1 eye. We have to find a common, then it will overlap. Okay, so let's begin again. There it will be 0 and again 1, 0 and 1, 0 and 1. As it is cross, it will be remain cross. 0 and 1. Again 0 and 1. Now for 5 kg 1 eye, as it is 0, so it will remain the same. 5 kg and our item will be 0 eye, right? Simple. And what is our benefits? It will remain 0. So if we pick any item, then here it is. For item number 4, it is 5 kg. Then 5 minus 5 will be 0 kg, right? So it is 0 kg, 0 items. Okay, and what is our benefits? Our benefits is, our previous benefits was 0 and it is 6, so 0 plus 6 is benefits is 6. Okay, now for this one, 1 kg 1 eye. So if we don't pick any items, then it will remain the same, 1 kg, and our item will be 0. Okay, let's make a box. Now for 1 kg 1 eye, no, we cannot pick now item number 4, because for item number 4 it is 5 kg, so 1 minus 5 will be negative, right? So we will put a cross. Now for 2 kg 1 eye, we are not picking any item. Now it will be 1 kg 0 eye, right? Why? So sorry, it will be 2 kg, right? Because we are not picking anything, it will remain the same. And we cannot pick anything from this item number 4 because it is 5 kg and it is 2 kg. So 2 minus 5 will be negative, so we will put a cross here. Now for 3 kg, we are not picking any item here, right? We are not picking any item, so it will be 2 kg and 1 minus 1, it will be 0 eye, right? 0 item. And if we pick, we cannot pick anything. Why? It is maximum. It is 5. So 3 minus 5 will be negative. So we cannot pick any item. Now for 0 kg 1 item, so it will remain the same, 0 kg, and how many items will be now? 0 I, right? And again we cannot pick any item because it is 0 kg and we got 5 kg. So sorry sir, we cannot pick anything. Okay, we forgot to put benefits, right? So let's write the benefits here. So previous benefits was 5, so it will be b is equal to 5. And for this one, previously it was benefits 4, now 6 plus 4 is 10, right? So benefits will be 10. and for this one previous benefits was 3, it was benefits, and now the benefits will be 6 plus, so okay, it will be 3 because 0 plus 3 is 3, and for this one benefits was 7, right? Now for this it will be also 7. Okay, now what is our next step? Now we have shown, or we have drawn the tree successfully, right? We have, our next step is to find a common child. Okay, we have to find a common child. Let's find. So we have to find a common child. 0 comma 0, where else is 0 comma 0? Here we got a common child, right? We got a common child. So when we will get any common child, it will be called as overlapping. Okay, so now it has overlapped. Again we can find another one. Here 2 kg 0y, 2 kg 0y, here we got another overlapping here. That means we got an overlapping problem in our tree. So from this tree we can see we got 2 overlapping problems, right? So we cannot solve this by 0, 1 knapsack now. What we'll have to do? We have to draw a DP table.